I know I can't be the only one that's trying to be super dad. I put one of these adapters on the kids' RC car, and now my red battery or my yellow battery won't take a charge. Let me show you how to fix this. All you need is one of these devices. They're available for red batteries and for yellow batteries. They both do the exact same thing. There's a digital screen on here. Hit the number bar, and you can select between 5, 9, 12, 18, or 24 volts. We're going to go down to the 18 volt option because that's the kind of battery that we're using. Select 18 volts. You have your 18 volts. Next, you're just going to make a pigtail. You need a couple of spade connectors. Put your positive in your positive, your negative in your negative. This connector right here comes with a device. Plug the connector into the side of the device. Come over here to your bad battery. On your negative post, put your negative on your negative, put your positive on your positive, and then all you have to do is hit the out button. Once you hit the out button, it needs 15 to 20 seconds. That's going to put enough power back in the battery that you're actually going to be able to wake it up, and the regular charger is going to be able to take over from there. Not only are these good for fixing dead batteries, you can do electronic troubleshooting with them. They have wireless charging pads on the top of them, 140 watt USB-C, and that 18 watt USB-A on the side. They work with your red and your yellow batteries. If you want to grab one of them, I'm going to leave an orange shopping cart at the bottom of the screen so you can.